What's up guys, this is Frank with Platinum Mobile Detailing. I'm going to be announcing the giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you watch right to the end for your chance to enter and win. But first, I wanted to take a minute and thank you for your early support as I begin to really commit to focusing on this channel. After almost 8 years in the business, I have really grown to love being able to help other people, and it's turned into much more than just cleaning someone's car. I get lots of questions and people reaching out to me asking what I use, how I do things, and I spend a lot of time helping people. So I've sourced out discount codes to be able to recommend my favorite products to help you and help you save money at the same time. I also set up an Amazon storefront to make it easier to find what I use and know which products are actually good quality that I would recommend. Now, as time consuming as all this is, I love it, and that is the biggest reason why I'm committing to YouTube. In my opinion, it's the best platform to be on to be able to help people because this is where most people go who want to learn. I've been around long enough to know that it doesn't matter who I am or how great these videos are, without you and your support, there is no channel. That's the main reason why I want to have regular subscriber giveaways, because I want to make sure that we share the growth and success of this channel together. So I was planning on announcing this giveaway before I hit 1,000 subscribers, but I went away camping, and since I've been back, I've spent most of my time responding to comments. Blew past the milestone and haven't been able to film this video until now. I have recently been featuring some DIY detail products on my channel, and I've really grown to enjoy their products. I think they keep things simple, their products are extremely effective, they don't have a million different products trying to do the same thing, so I decided I'm going to give away $150 worth of DIY detail products for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So what do you have to do to enter this giveaway? Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, you need to like this video, and leave a comment telling me what you could use, and leave the hashtag #ShowMeTheFoam. Then the last thing you need to do is follow me on Instagram, because that's how I'm going to be able to verify who the winner is and get in touch with them. I'm going to let this run for 1 week, and I will announce the winner on video, so anybody who reaches out in the comments or anything looking for your information, it won't be me. I'll leave all this information in the description as well. Again, I want to thank you for your support. I'm looking forward to helping and growing with you.